In this video, I'll show you how to remove your Facebook business page from a personal account. To get started, open Facebook on your device. You can do this on an iPhone, Android phone, or a computer. In my case, I'm using an iPhone, but the steps are very similar on other devices. Once Facebook opens, tap on the menu icon. On iPhone, this is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you're using an Android device or a computer, the menu icon may appear at the top right instead. From the menu, tap on the drop-down arrow and switch to the Facebook page you want to remove from your personal account. This step is important because you need to be viewing the page itself, not your personal profile. Once you're on the Facebook page, tap on the profile or menu icon again. On iPhone, this is usually at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings to open the page settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you find the Page Setup option and tap on it. Inside Page Setup, tap on Page Access. This section shows all the people who currently have access to manage the page. Before removing your personal account, keep in mind that the page must have at least one other person managing it. If you remove yourself without assigning another manager, you may lose access or be forced to delete the page. To add someone else, tap on Add New, then tap Next. Now, type in the name or email of the person you want to help manage the Facebook business page. Once you select a person, send them an invite. They'll need to accept the invitation before you can remove yourself from the page. After the new manager accepts the invite, go back to the Page Access section. Find your personal account in the list of people with access. Tap on the three dots next to your name. At this point, you'll see an option to remove access. Tap on it and confirm when prompted. Once confirmed, your personal account will no longer have access to manage the Facebook business page. To make sure everything worked, refresh the page or log out and log back in, then check your list of managed pages. If you no longer want the page at all, you also have the option to delete the page instead of assigning a new manager. Just make sure this is what you want, because deleting a page is permanent. When making changes to business pages and admin access, it's important to use a secure internet connection to protect your account. NordVPN can help keep your connection private and secure while managing Facebook settings. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free at a great price.